Boys and girls, I'm going to teach you Basic Addition Level 2. And we're going to talk about some different things about addition and about the problems that you will do on this level. These are just basic addition facts. We're going to do all of the equations written vertically. So we're going to talk about how to correctly add with vertical addition equations. So let me give you an example. Our first equation is going to be 13 plus 3 equals. The most important thing that you need to remember is that you have to add all the numbers in the ones place together and all the numbers in the tens place together. To make it easier, I like to draw a line that separates the ones and the tens. That helps you get used to knowing that you can't cross over numbers from the ones to the tens. So we have in the ones column 3 plus 3. Well, we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we're going to write that directly under the ones. Next, we're going to move to the tens place, and we have 1 in the tens place. Well, there's nothing at all, no number at all right here, so that's going to be considered 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 13 plus 3 equals 16. If I kept my line going, you can see that the 6 is in the ones place and the 1 is in the tens place. Make sure that if you are writing your own equations, you're doing it straight, like soldiers in a straight row. They can't cross over into the other place's line. Let's try another one. Let's do 11 plus 11. Again, I'm going to draw my line, and I'm even going to make it go down into the answer. So we know that these two ones are both in the ones place. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're going to write that straight below in the ones column. Then we have the same in the tens column. We know that these two ones are in the tens place. So we're going to add 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum of 11 plus 11 is 22. In this equation, our add-ins are both 11, and the sum is 22. In this equation, the add-ins are 13 plus 3. The sum is 16. Let's go to our next slide. Let's talk about the count-on strategy. Some of these equations look like they'll be pretty easy, but we haven't been to school for a long time. It was a 6-month break. So let's talk about the count-on strategy. If you have an equation, 8 plus 3 equals what? We don't know. We're going to find the sum. If you can't remember right off the bat, you can use the count-on strategy. You're going to start with the biggest number, and that's going to go into your brain. You're going to start counting at 8. And then you're going to add 3. So we're going to go 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that our sum, 8 plus 3, equals 11. Again, we only have ones, but that 1 from the 10 is going to be over in the tens place. Let's try another one. Let's try 6 plus 4 equals? Well, we know we're going to start with the biggest number. So which is bigger, 6 or 4? If you said 6, you're correct. You're going to start counting at 6 and you're going to count on 4. So you're going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was running out of room there. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 plus 4, we can put the 0 in the 1's place, but then we're going to put the 1 in the 10's place. So remember, you always start with the biggest number, and then you count on the smallest number to find the sum. Let's talk about the 0 property of addition. The 0 property of addition is that any number plus 0 equals that number. 3 plus 0 is not 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. If I had 0 plus 5, my sum would be 5. So if 0 is one of your add-ins, the sum is going to be the other number. Let's try a vertical one. We've got 7 plus 0 equals what? 7. Any number plus 0 equals that number. That's the 0 property of addition. Good luck with this level. You're going to rock it.